Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, finally the day has come. NFP. You can see that at 6 p.m. in India or in my time zone, NFP about to come out. So please go to the economic calendar to check the timing in your country. So market was waiting for NFP for last couple of days, and finally we are going to witness the next direction on the chart of gold, US dollar and others. So we can see that gold is still trading inside the range only. Yesterday we discussed about the possibility of a trend reversal. So we can clearly see that market is technically ready for a trend reversal right now. And we have derived the answer from the structure of the market. The structure of the market was extremely bearish, but here the structure of the market is changing. We can see that market is no longer forming lower lows, which signify that sellers are slowly taking a pause. Buyers are trying to take the market up, but we need the stamp of the fundamentals right now, and NFP may be the event that will bring upside on the chart of gold. And there is a possibility after the ADP NFP that we may get to see weaker data on NFP, and US dollar may show some correction, or it may show some trend reversal signs as well. You can see here gold pauses after 9 session down streak ahead of US payrolls data, and this is the chart of US dollar index. Overall, the structure of dollar index is still very much bullish, but dollar index is also waiting for the data. You can see here market has not formed any significant candles for the last 10 to 12 hours. So let's wait and watch. Okay, because if there is a drop in the market, we will get to see some recovery on other charts as well. So the whole world is waiting for trend reversal right now. In fact, I already told you guys that I already have a buy position at 1820 right now, with my stop loss at 1798. I'm looking for a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. If my trade hits SL also, okay, I will not be disappointed, because okay, this kind of trade setups, okay, we get really, and whenever this kind of trade setups work, they give us nice profit. So if you're a positional trader, swing trader, as I have already mentioned earlier, then you don't need to do anything right now. You need a proper direction after the movement of the market. Okay, or if you are very much hopeful like me, then you can do proper risk management. Okay, and you can already go for a buy position, but that is very risky. If your risk management skills are good enough, then only go for a buy position from before the news. Okay, and if you're looking for proper direction, then obviously it is better to wait for the news, let the market settle, then go for a position. And if you're a day trader or intraday trader, then obviously you will not get good opportunities to trade during the day, because most of the time market will remain silent. And in this market condition, I don't think so market will be showing us big moves of say 70, 100, 150 pips before the news, because usually market is in waiting mode right now. Okay. So the range of the goal is still the same here. We can clearly see 1820 not 25 25 1828 to 1831 is the resistance for the market right now, and around 1815, okay, around 1815 1814 we are seeing some temporary support of the market. Keep in mind the range will not work after news. Okay, this is a weak range, as the volume is very less right now. Market is waiting, as a result it is working. Every market has different levels, but the strength of each and every level is different. Okay, so in this market condition before news, if the same volatility remains, you can look for a sell at resistance and look for a buy at support during the Asian session and European session. And we can already see the momentum of the market is already going down. So as a result, there is a possibility that market will reverse again. If you're a day trader, you can look for a quick selling position around these areas. Okay. On the other hand, if market shows more recovery, if market shows weak temporary upside, you can also look for a sell position around 1840. Why 1840? Because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and around 1846 to 1850 we have the second resistance or I'll say the third resistance, okay, from Fibo 50% retracement level. Along with that, we can also see that 200 moving average is also coming down. But in this market condition, 1850 or around 1850, we have the best sellers or strong sellers present, because 1850 is a round number, and along with that we have Fibo 50% retracement level, and we also can also see some dynamic resistance from the 200 moving average. So these are the levels that you can look for selling opportunities before the news. After news, 1840 will also not work if you see a big green candle, okay, because see, market is accumulating strength right now, and whenever market will get any chance, the blast will be so big that the nearby levels will not work. So after news, okay, try to follow the trend of the market instead of going for reversals. If market breaks 1815 level, okay, if market breaks 1815 1814 level after news, then you can go for a sell position. And if the selling pressure is very high, then as I have already told you guys in my previous videos, that the next support around 180305 will also not work, because market sentiment is above all. We always talk about indicators, we talk about the technicals, but when fundamentals will dominate the market, nothing will work, okay. The whole world is looking at this support right now, so as a result, okay, there is a possibility that this may not work, because if market starts falling with heavy selling pressure, and especially after an event like NFP, then obviously it will not work. 1800 may try to pose as support, but it is better to follow the trend of the market, because if market breaks 1814 1815 level, still we have a gap of 100 pips, okay. There will be not gap, okay, there will be a fall of 100 pips, and which is also a big event. So let's wait and watch. And again, I'm repeating, try to follow the trend of the market after news, because these levels, the levels we have right now on the chart of gold, are not strong enough to hold the market, okay. Sometimes we have some technical levels like 2080 1630 at the bottom, those who are very strong, but right now in this market condition we don't have any strong levels, okay, that will hold the market. So day traders, be careful, no more levels. Chances are very less that you will find any good trading opportunity for the day, okay. And if you're a beginner, new trader, try to close down your positions before news, because your stop loss may not work. Slippage is a big problem, you guys know it very well. Already have told you guys that if you want to avoid slippage problem, if you prefer to trade at a time of news, then GTC Fx can be the solution, because they do not have the problem of slippage. The link is in the description, okay. And anyways, and please do not gamble at a time of news. Market will give you plenty of opportunities to trade in a market. So if you have very less capital, you are in a tight spot right now, then please don't make the mistake. And one more thing, those who are still holding buy position, hoping for a trend reversal, okay, good luck to you. In case the trend reversal doesn't come, if market starts falling, please exit from the buy position and save the rest of the capital, okay. Please don't make the mistake. Bye bye, take care.